Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. And you may be wondering what you're looking at on the screen. Well, it's the number randomizer, and because it's the number randomizer, then that means that today is the day for a drawing. Now, this is the drawing for Sweet Pea Papers, and this is our Cosy Christmas Collaboration drawing, and the winners are going to receive the following items. The third place winner is going to receive one digital kit from either LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. The second place prize is two digital kits, either from LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. And the first place prize is a physical prize, which is a junk journal grab bag. Now, first I would like to say excuse all the commercials or advertisements. That's just the way this particular randomizer makes their money. So in Sweet Pea Papers, we have 233 members or entries, and so that's what we're going to go with. We're going to pick one number at a time, and we're going to have no repeats. However, there are plenty of people whose names are repeated in the list. You can only win one prize, so if your name comes up twice, then we'll just skip you that time, the second time, and go on and roll again for someone else. Okay, are you ready to go? Now, I do have my database. Instead of printing it out, it seemed kind of silly. As you can see, look, see, there's lots of repeats. I'm going to go like this, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick a number. The random number is 20. So let's see who that is on our list. That's for third place. Way up here. Number 20 is Naomi Shaw. So Naomi won third place. Okay, so that's a junk journal kit from either LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. Let's go back over here. Let's get our random number again. 179. So this time we're going to scroll the other way. 179 is Melinda McKim Davis, and she wins second prize. So that's two junk journal kits. Now remember, you have 3 days to claim your prize, so you have until midnight of December 26th to message me or email me, and I'll put those up on the screen right now for you to read. And so do either one of those two things to claim your prize, and you have to do it by December 26th at midnight. Okay, so let's go for the first place prize. As you could see by the list, there were lots of people that entered more than one picture of a project they were working on with the Cosy Christmas kit or just the freebies. So if you want to win, then you got to get in, that's for sure. All right, our last random number is number 69. So we'll go to 69. Congratulations to 69. M. Bachelor. I don't think it's pronounced bachelor. I think it's pronounced bachelor. Okay, so they won first place prize. You know what I should do? I made this a little bit bigger. Oh, I can't see the filled color. I was going to fill it with yellow. There it is. There we go. See, that's what I should have done with the other two. Anyway, so now let's go on. Oh, no. So that's the end of this video. And now watch the other video for the random drawing for junk journal tutorials and more. Okay? Well, congratulations to our winners. Make sure to get a hold of me by the end of December 26th by midnight my time. That's Pacific time. Pacific time in the U.S. And also, and I forgot to mention this, I almost forgot, if you live outside the U.S., then I cannot mail a physical prize to you, but your alternate prize is 3 junk journal kits from either LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. Okay? All right, well, good luck to everyone that's won, and get your messages in to me and let me know that you've won. I've had several times that the prize has not been claimed, so you want to make sure and get in there and claim your prize before it's too late. Okay? All right, well, I will see you guys the next time in the next videos, and that will be just a second for you, literally, because you're going to go check the other video, right? And a day for me, but not really, because I'm going to turn this recording off and turn the other one on and record the other drawing. Alrighty, bye-bye.